Are you bothered? Because your Galaxy X Cover 4 is SIM locked to a network and you can't change your SIM when you need to use another network. Are you worried that you will not get the right value for your Galaxy X Cover 4 when you would want to sell it? You don't have to worry anymore. Now you can SIM unlock your Galaxy X Cover 4 very easily and cost-effectively with letsunlockphone.com. Just go to the link given in the description below. That link will take you to the product page of your phone. There, first select your network, then write your IMEI number, your email address and your name, and then go for purchase. Make sure all the details you have written are 100% correct. After the processing time, we will send you an email with unlock code. Then just turn off your phone, insert a non-accepted SIM card, turn your phone back on, SIM network unlock PIN menu will pop up. Just enter the code we have sent you and your phone will be unlocked. This is the permanent unlocking method, and now you can use any SIM in your phone, and unlocking your phone will also elevate its resale value. So what are you waiting for? Just unlock your phone and get rid of network restriction. You are also going to save a lot of money because now you can select more flexible and affordable cellular packages for your use of cellular services such as calls, messages and internet data usage. And whenever you decide to go outside the country for travel or work purposes, you can avoid roaming charges by buying a SIM from the place you are going to land. Isn't this a good deal? I'll leave this question with you. Thank you for watching this video.